Assalamu alaikum, Mr. Wasim. How are you?
Fine, sir. Walaikum assalam.
Please introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. My name is Wasim Jan. I belong to District Charsadda. I passed the matriculation exam from Iqra Model High School, Utmanzai. Then I went to New Muslim College, Charsadda, and passed the intermediate exam there. I did my BS in chemistry from Bachahan University, Charsadda, in 2017. Recently, I have done my MPhil in chemistry, in organic chemistry from Hazara University, Mansehra, and currently I am teaching in a private sector.
Okay. Your
Yes,
good name, Wasim. Is it right?
yes, sir.
What is the meaning of your name?
Sir, it means beauty, beautiful.
Are you beautiful?
Yes, sir, like me.
Good. Okay. What is the old name of Charsada? Because you belong to district Charsada. What is the old name of Charsada?
Yes, sir, I belong from Charsadda. The old name is called Pushkilavati.
Why it is called?
Because various
Is there
Pashtun
is
tribes
there
are.
okay. Is there any historical background?
Yes, sir. Various Pashtun tribes are basically lived in Charsadda. Therefore, it is called Pushkilavati. Push mean Pashtun and Kalavati mean living.
It's interesting.
Yes, sir.
Okay, who is the famous political personality from Charsada?
Sir, the famous political is Abdul Ghaffar Khan, which is also known as Bacha Khan.
Okay, do you know Parvez Khatak belongs to this?
No, sir. Parvez Hatting belong to Naushera basically. It is located in district Naushera.
Right, okay. Mr. Wasim, are you eligible for this post?
Yes, sir. I am eligible
How?
for this post.
How? How are you eligible? Can you explain it? What are your features?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I eligible for this post, sir, for reason that I have also command on chemistry subject. I have a degree related to this subject, which is a requirement for the post. I have also some experience of teaching also.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Wasim, good. Okay, Mr. Wasim, what is meant by radial chromatography?
Sir, radial chromatography is basically a type of chromatography in which a chemist use to separate a mixture by.
How can you differentiate the radial chromatography from the ascending chromatography? Which one is the best?
Sir, radial chromatography is best
Why?
comparison to ascending chromatography because radial chromatography. In radial chromatography, this basically the sample is deposited at the center of circular filter paper. Once spot is dried, sir, I forgotten about
Do you
that.
know? Do you know what is the driving force in the separation of radial chromatography?
Driving force in radial chromatography, sir. Chromatography driving force is, sir. Sorry, sir. I
Okay, what
forgotten
is
these chromatography.
okay? Uh, what is the difference between packed and capillary column?
Sorry, sir. I forgot chromatography.
I think you are interested in spectroscopy.
Yes, sir. Spectroscopy.
Which type of spectroscopy technique is your favorite?
Sir, UV visible spectroscopy is my favorite technique.
It's good.
Yes.
What is selection rule?
Yes, sir. There are some rules which are used for selection of electronic transitions. There are various rules which are used for electron transition. That which one is allowed to transition or forbidden transitions.
Right.
The rules
Can you
Yes, sir.
explain only one rule and you have to differentiate between the allowed and forbidden transition? Just only one.
Yes, sir. Energy level transitions is basically allowed from K shell to L shell to M shell. These are allowed transitions.
Can we say it the Laporte rule?
Yes. No, sir. Laboratory rule is basically about sub energy levels.
Right.
For which the change in angular and the change in azimuthal quantum number may be +1 or -1 only.
Okay.
This is laboratory selection rule.
What is hyperchromism?
Yes, sir. In hyperchromism, there is there is basically a shift from increase in the intensity of absorption.
Exactly.
Hyper-
Can you differentiate the bathochromic shift and hypsochromic shift?
Sir, basically, bathochromic shift is also known as red shift, while hypsochromic shift is also known blue shift. Because in bathochromic shift, the wavelength is moved towards a higher position. Higher position mean if wavelength is increased, therefore energy will be decreased, and it is called red shift.
What is the significance of Woodward-Fisher rule?
Yes, sir. These are some empirical rules which are used the maximum wavelength by seeing their structures. Rules.
If I say about
Yes,
some
sir.
structure, can you calculate the lambda max of that structure?
Calculate the lambda max structure basically for
I am saying,
rule for conjugated dye.
If I assign you a structure and then I have to ask, can you calculate the lambda max of that structure?
I command on these rules.
Excellent, good. Mr. Wasim, you performed the best. Well done. Good luck.
Sir. Thank you, sir.